There are certainly many different factors which come into play with insurance. Covering yourself with insurance is hard enough, so this article is meant to give you an idea on some of the different points to consider when buying cheap cat insurance. The first point is to think about how much coverage you will need for your cat. Most companies will probably have different levels of insurance you have to buy. The amount of insurance you buy may be dependent upon the age of the cat. The younger cat will potentially need less insurance since you probably will only have routine checkups to pay for you. What age requirement is allowed for the cat? Different policies will allow different numbers. Many times a good starting figure is that you can buy insurance for your cat once the feline has reached a minimum 8 weeks in age. Some policies will allow you to enroll your cat into cheap cat insurance up to the age of 10. What will be included within your policy? Some cheap cat insurance policies will cover routine checkups and vaccinations which can be covered within the policy. There's going to be a maximum benefit that you're allowed to spend as well. It is important to understand what this number is going to be. You also have to determine when looking into cheap cat insurance how much you are willing to pay. This comes due to the fact that most companies will allow you to pay either annually or monthly. The benefit for monthly is that you do not have a large out-of-pocket expense, but paying annually will allow your premium to be somewhat lower. Ask any companies you talk with about the difference in cost between monthly and annually. You will also want to ask about your particular breed of cat. Some crossbreeds of cats often will not have full coverage in accidents, but rather a limited amount of coverage available. Make sure to know exactly what type of breed your cat is so that you can know if you are fully covered or not. Cheap cat insurance is something that anyone can get. It comes down to what you are willing to pay and what kind of coverage you feel is sufficient for your feline friend. Anything is possible, and the point is that you want your bases covered in case of problems.